Hey gorgeous, thanks so much for coming by today to watch the video. Today's video is the third exercise. Yes, it's the third one. 1, 2, 3. No, the fourth exercise of Exercise Along With Me Series 2. Now, a lot of people get this exercise, mixed up with a nose exercise, but it's actually an exercise for the nasolabial folds. And as we go on, you will see what I mean. Now, the thing about this exercise is, now I've got Dorian, I had a beanie on him because it was been cold here in Australia, and look, he hasn't got any hair, he's only got one ear, the poor bugger. Look at him, one ear. But anyway, so basically this exercise is going to go ahead and exercise this area, these muscles here, because these muscles are responsible for lifting this part of our face, okay? So there's muscles along here, and there's muscles along here. And they have got quite a long Latin name to it, and I'm not really good with Latin. In fact, I'm not very good with any language, to be honest with you, but Latin certainly is not one of my best ones. So here is the name of the muscle here, and these are the muscles that you'll be focusing on. And also, when you're doing it, this actually area here, right here, is where, that little area here is where all your focus will be. Now remember, this is not a nose exercise, okay? Everyone thinks it's a nose exercise, but it's not. It's an exercise to get rid of your laugh lines. Now what we do is we place our fingers, our middle fingers, on either side of our nose in the position I'm showing. Then we place our ring fingers on the tip of our nose, and then the rest of the fingers are just there for, placement. The rest of the fingers don't do anything. But the main thing we need to do is have our middle fingers tucked right under here. Okay, now if I can find it again, tucked under, just under here, there's some bones here. It's not showing on Dorian. Dorian doesn't not showing those bones, but it might be just under the cheekbone where it finishes. Okay, so tuck your fingers into that area. Right, so the next thing we do is we push down like we're doing a nose exercise. But as we do it, we're actually pushing these muscles and we're concentrating on these muscles, okay? You're only concentrating on those muscles. And as you exercise them up and down, it starts to lift your lip up, and you get a very smooth area around here, and you haven't got those awful nasolabial folds hanging down over your top lip. And also it helps strengthen your top lip as well, especially up in this area here. It will strengthen your top lip. So we'll try it again. And concentrate only on this area using the focus technique. Here's the focus technique. Here's a link to the focus technique. Have a look at it after the video, and it'll teach you how to just focus on the one muscles that you're working. Okay? And really, your nose should not be going up and down. It's actually the levitator muscles that are moving up and down. Okay? It's only those muscles that are moving up and down. So, let me know how you go with that in the comments box below. Please do remember to subscribe to the channel, because when you subscribe you get help with all the exercises. I do attempt to answer most questions, but now since the channel's grown so large it's quite impossible to answer every question. But I do try to do most of them, and put them in the comments box below so you do hopefully get a chance to be answered. And please do remember to hit the bell and like the video as well. That would really help me as well. I'd really appreciate it. Alright guys, I hope that helps you today. Also, across the top of the video is a link to my membership site. Just put that link into your browser and it will take you to the membership site. It might be something that you're interested in following Facerobics a bit more, because if you do join, you get all the support, you get help. I sometimes get on and do Zoom sessions with you individually. It depends on, if people need help a lot, or what sort of help that they do need. So please do have a think about joining the gym. Okay guys, well thanks for watching. You have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen.
convey.